Breaking news. SAG-AFTRA appears to have ended the longest actors' strike in Hollywood history.
Life is finally good. The actor and writer strike has finally ended. GTA 6 trailer is coming out next month, so I can stop fearing about being an old man by the time I play it. Emma Stone is still the most beautiful girl on the planet. I couldn't ask for more, but how's it going with Marvel's life? Ooh.
And now for our feature presentation.
The Marvels was a unique experience. My birthday is in 10 days from now, and I decided to treat myself and get my friend Joey to go to a state above us to North Carolina, where we saw the Marvels, but in 4DX. It was my first time watching anything in this format, but I'll discuss that later. Was the Marvels a good movie, or do you need to drink to enjoy it? Honestly, I don't really know how I feel. Look, I'm just gonna be honest. I think we need to accept the fact that the MCU isn't what it used to be. It's gonna be a while before we get the high quality caliber of Endgame. Yes, we're getting subpar content now like Quantumania and especially Secret Invasion. But you know, that's okay. Not every project has to be the highest quality of filmmaking. At least it can be enjoyable. Guardians 3 and No Way Home is some of MCU's best work in recent years. Now with that being said, yeah, the Marvels was kinda okay, but a little mid. Don't let that turn you away though, there are some positives that help the movie. Iman Vellani as Kamala Khan is a scene stealer. Ms. Marvel is one of my favorite MCU shows, and she brings so much life and eccentric energy to this character. She's without a doubt my favorite newcomer to the MCU during this weird phase. Her interactions with Captain Marvel are extremely wholesome since this longtime fan of her has finally met her idol. In fact, whenever the movie plays as a sequel to Ms. Marvel, it's a lot of fun and a blast. It takes the wacky and energetic nature of the show, and it works well through the movie's runtime. There's a very funny flirting scene that I won't spoil, but it is super creative. When all three of the Marvels interact, it's sweet and fun. They really do have nice chemistry. The movie's highlights when they switch places whenever they use powers. Whenever they use a special ability, the three girls switch into each other's position, and seeing them zip in and out of each other's scenario causes the movie to be unique in a way. But also, this is a Captain Marvel sequel, and it's not a good one. They try to do the same serious tone as the last film combined with the breezy feeling of the Ms. Marvel show, and the two tones never blend together at all. Random side note, but this movie has an MCU first. There's a very weird musical number. Yes, a musical number. It's not like choreographed or anything, but it was very strange. It didn't really fit the movie nor its pacing. The biggest sin of this movie is, well, let me show you something real quick. See this blank piece of paper? Bland as hell. This paper is the equivalent of the villain of this movie. There has been over 30 MCU movies, and I'm just going to be 100%. This is the worst villain in the MCU lineup. Nothing against the actress at all, but as soon as I saw her in the trailer, I knew I was in for trouble, but oh my god, she is just so boring as a character. With the MCU, there are bound to be jokes, and it's definitely hit or miss in this department, but there are some great jokes, especially from Fury. Almost made me forget about Secret Invasion a little bit. But I feel like seeing this in 4DX really enhanced my experience. Whenever Carol or Monica would fly, the seats would throw you forward, and when they stop accelerating, it throws you back. Whenever there's punches, air blows in your ears, and during foggy moments of the film, steam blows in the front seats. There's a part where they crash land on a big field planet, and you can feel the rustles on your feet. It was just so much fun. Not gonna lie, I almost spilled popcorn all over myself, but it was a very fun roller coaster. If my nearest 4DX theater was an hour and a half away, I would definitely go more, and it definitely enhanced the experience of the Marvels. But honestly, this isn't the worst MCU movie. The Switch gimmick is a lot of fun, and Kamala on the big screen is a win. Despite being breezy and fun, the tones don't mesh, and overall there's no real substance in this movie. It's only 1 hour and 45 minutes, so the best way to describe it is short and bittersweet.